going on, YouTube world? It's been quite some time since I made a video. I've really been concentrating on myself. I've had a lot going on. I did a lot of traveling this year. I'm going to be going back on the road soon too with another band. I do this thing. I do the thing. The thing happens. I can't help it. I don't come up with a script. I don't plan it out. I just kind of throw out what's on my mind. So I made my goal this year. I hit 10,000 on Instagram. Instagram is now cracking down on accounts, so I'm not going to be able to grow as fast as I was with follows and likes and everything else, but I still have a good portion of people left that care about my work and have been following me since last year, so thank you very much. Because it seems like social media is really cracking down and it's making it harder for you to even get anything out. They all want you to pay for something. It's all about money, and it sucks. Being a creator, it should be no problem to be able to put out whatever it is that you're creating. Nobody should be able to put a bar on what you are making. The world needs to see it. The world needs to hear it. And you need to be able to find a way to bring it to the people, because you're not going to be able to do it without some kind of tool, and unfortunately tools that we can use is social media, and it's just getting harder and harder to come out with content that can reach people when they are just putting on new rules and new laws and making it harder for you to get your stuff out. And it's really disappointing and depressing that this world has to come down to money. Every bare bones of it is about money, and I'm just getting really tired of it. I don't pay for ad space. It just fuels a beast that does nothing for me. It doesn't bring people to my pages. It doesn't bring people to my Instagram, my Twitter. It's better to do the legwork yourself, but now that they're making it harder, it's like I don't even know how I'm going to reach everybody. So it's back to like the olden days where you gotta like network and meet people in person and pray that they go and like your stuff. And I feel like photography, it's such a oversaturated market that it's going to be really hard for me to get anything out there, because everybody's doing something that's really good. Like there's a lot of really good photographers out there and videographers, and videography is one thing I kind of fall short on. It's not that I'm bad, I just don't have enough experience editing. I don't have anybody to teach me. Everything I know I've taught myself. So I hope you guys enjoy my edits, my videos. It's all from up here and watching YouTube videos. So YouTube is probably one of the best social medias I've seen yet. They're not really cracking down that hard. They're really helping out. A lot of people wouldn't have jobs without YouTube. And that's how they live. They make a living off of YouTube, which is awesome. And they were just this small little entity that people just started liking, and it blew up, and then they got all this whole new world opened up for them, you know. And I think that's awesome. You know, like there's exciting times, and then there's like unexciting times for like what we're going through as a new world, really. Like things are changing so fast that I don't know where I fit in yet. I always thought it was music. I thought I was going to make it with music, and I've gotten close many a times, and that was just a dream that I could never grasp. But my biggest dream was always travel, and like this year I've seen at least 1/3 of the country now, which is insane, and it's all through photography. It's really changed my life. I didn't think I'd be like 30 years old and pick up a camera and be doing as much as I have with my camera and bringing as much joy as I have with my camera. It's really just an eye-opener for me, and I'm so glad that I found it, that I found something that works for me. I'm just hoping it keeps on growing and building, and people keep liking the content I put out. Now, without my camera, I would feel lost, and I'm just so glad that I have it. So, I know it has been a long time since I put out a video, and this video isn't really anything. Like, I just got inspired by watching YouTube videos and seeing everything that's been going on, like the Amazon forest burning because of farmers. Farmers are burning fields for the new harvest, which I guess is a normal thing, but you're still putting carbon out into the air. And I'm not even going to get into that, it's not even worth talking about, but yeah. So here I am, still doing the same thing, still pushing forward, still doing everything I can to make myself relevant. I'm going to be going on tour with Absence of Despair this September into October, so make sure you look around. I might do a vlog while I'm on tour, I don't know. If you want to see a vlog during tour, please hit me up in the comments and I'll definitely consider it. Alright guys, thanks for watching and stay safe.